We're gonna upgrade the interior light bulb for a 2019 Honda Accord from the factory amber to the LEDs ice blue. So with your plastic pry tool, you want to pry it right on the side like that. Push it in, and then it slides right out. Then you want to take the old bulb out. Now we got the LEDs. Slide it in, 6 o'clock position. And let's test it out. That looks good. Now we're gonna put the cover back on. We're gonna clip in and then it lights up and that works. Now there's gonna be a clip right there, a clip right there, and one in the middle. So all we're doing is we push that clip in with the pry tool on the left side, and then on the right side, and in the middle we just force it up and it comes right loose. Now for the rear, for some reason the bulb was actually snug tight, so you have to play around with it. Eventually it'll come loose. Now we're gonna take the new LEDs, we're gonna slide it in, and let's test it out. Alright, put the cover back on. Now this is how it looks like from the outside view. It actually looks good. Now we're gonna look in the inside. Look at that. Looks like a nightclub.